Welcome and welcome back to 24 Strong. Hi, I'm Callie. I'm 11 years old and I am in level 6 in gymnastics.
And I'm Maddie. I'm 12 years old and I'm 12 years old and I'm a level 3 cheerleader. Today we are going to be showing you how to make easy, healthy energy balls.
This recipe only requires 6 ingredients and can be made in one bowl.
These are a perfect snack to take to practice or school.
The ingredients we need for energy balls: oats, peanut butter and maple syrup,
Chocolate chips, flax seeds, and vanilla extract.
First we're going to combine is the peanut butter, the maple syrup, and the vanilla. Half a cup of peanut butter, I've got on my nose. That's gross. We're going to add a third cup of maple syrup. And a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna combine the wet ingredients. I hope I got that right.
Now we're going to add 1 cup of oats. Now we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips.
Ooh, I like that much. That's good.
We're using dark chocolate chips to keep this recipe dairy-free. Now we're going to use a 1/3 cup of flax seeds. Flax seeds are a really good source of fiber and omega-3s.
Yeah.
Now we're going to mix it all together.
Energy balls are hard to mess up. If the batter is too wet or dry, you can make changes. Maybe we should wash our hands first.
Yes.
Yes. It's a little too wet, kind of moist.
So in order to fix that, we're going to add some more oats. If they're still sticky or wet, you can stick them in the fridge for 20 minutes to let them harden.
But I think they're looking better.
While Callie's still stirring, I'm going to put some parchment paper on a pan.
Yeah. Now we're gonna roll them into tiny balls.
Do I do that too?
Yeah, you come in
Okay.
too. Oh, this was really small. I need to make this bigger.
So now we're going to put our energy balls in the fridge for 15 minutes to harden.
Or 20 minutes. I almost dropped those. If I dropped those, I would have been in big trouble. And now we wait. Let's check out our energy balls.
You can really eat them right away because there's no ingredients you need to cook.
These energy balls will stay good for 3 weeks in the fridge. Let's eat!
I heard.
Delicious! They're really good. Oh, yeah, it was right here. Right, up one more? Yeah.
Okay.
Is it in mine? Okay, good.
Thanks so much for watching our video today.
Okay, let us know if you tried this recipe.
We'll see you next time on 24 Strong.
Bye!
Bye.